What's good people, it's Cactus, and in today's video I haven't planned anything major for this one. I think I'm just gonna start cooking up and see what kind of vibe I get. I think I'll stick with drill today, but I'm gonna start doing more UK rap videos and maybe just switching up the vibe a little bit. So I'll just keep the intro short today and get straight into it. Alright, let's start with a piano. I'm just using addictive keys for this one. Alright, I'm going to render this melody out and then see if I can flip it again. I'll try and chop it in fruit slicer or something. Alright, I think I've got everything that I need for the beat. I've got the melody, vocals, drums, and perks locked down. And it's perfect timing as well because my lights just died on me. So I'm just going to start mixing it. I'll arrange everything and then show you the outcome. Alright, so I've finished the beat and I've structured this one a little bit different to usual, but I'll just play it and talk you through it. So in the intro, I've got the piano. I rendered that and then I just pitched it down a full octave and then introduced some of the vocals and some new perks as well. The perks, it's a bit of a similar pattern to the hi-hats. Or the count snares.
Cactus.
And now we've got just the piano with the drums, you know, without the violin. So that bit's just brought down an octave and then straight back up. Obviously the violin's in. And that was a different 8-way pattern. So that same kind of effect. So I've structured this one a bit weird. I haven't set out like a hook or a verse because I've just got this bridge and then it basically repeats, goes straight back to the verse. So nothing too crazy, just kind of simple this one. And the second 8-way pattern again. So that stutter effect, and then the slides. And then the rest you've already heard. So I hope you liked the video and I hope you're feeling the beat. I know this video was a little bit different to my usual ones. I just wanted to cook up, show you my process and not talk too much over it. But I will keep balancing it. I will do more beginner tutorials and more advanced ones too. And yo, I've just ordered my new camera, so I'm about to step my video game up for everyone. And my softbox light just completely died on me halfway through the video, so I'm gonna have to order a new one of them too. But thanks everyone for watching once again. I've got many more videos on the way, so keep leaving suggestions. You know I've got you with them. But I'll see you next time.
Cactus.